Hello, Alessia and Leo. Here we see a pileated woodpecker. He's the biggest woodpecker that we have around here. Woodpeckers like to eat insects from dead trees. You can see him with his sharp bill trying to get insects out of the crack. Only this isn't a dead tree, it's a telephone pole. But there's insects in there. See, he's using his sharp bill and he's poking in there to get his lunch. They make lots of interesting sounds. Those were interesting sounds, weren't they? They also like to drum, like to bang their beak on the tree, or the telephone pole in this case. He makes lots of noise. Sometimes I hear them drumming like that, and it can wake me up in the morning. Okay, Mr. Woodpecker. See you again. Bye.